Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys Bluetooth setting, and today we try to guys how can we forget guys Bluetooth neckband earphone to our Infinix phone device. Friends, you have connected any guys like that neckband same earphone with your phone, and friends now you want to forget guys your Bluetooth earphone to your Infinix phone device. So how can you forget today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting. So we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone more connection setting guys, tap here, and friends you can see Bluetooth setting. Friends, click on Bluetooth setting. So friends, you can see guys we have this Ubon CL20 company earphone, and guys we will forget right side icon, tap here. Friends, you can see this one more icon, so guys tap here. So friends, its icon show device name, and once you want to change guys your this Bluetooth earphone device name, you can change from here. And once you can see phone calls, media, contact sharing guys, you can on and off from here. Disconnect and forget guys, click on forget option to forget. After forget guys, we cannot use guys. If we use we will have to give permission, then guys we can connect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to forget Bluetooth earphones. So bye guys.